What's going on, FMFAM? Hey, today I'm gonna give y'all a little maintenance video. All right, we ain't trying to work too hard today. It's a Christmas week, the week before Christmas. So I got a couple services to do. We're gonna knock those out in this video. So if y'all want, stick around. If not, just give the video a thumbs up, okay? So please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification bells on so y'all don't miss another upload. Then we're gonna get straight to this video. Okay, so as y'all know, first order of business is that we put this stuff on there. Okay, every brake job, like I said, I stand by this stuff. Only because BG guarantees their product, and I've never had an issue with it. So until I have an issue with it, then I'll stop using it. But why stop if it's been working for me? I apply about 2 coats. So I'll do the first coat on camera, and then we'll get to resurfacing the rotors. And then we got some more services to do after that. And sorry if the background music's a little high. There is copyright in the background. I'm not really a firm believer of yelling at somebody to turn their stuff down, because that's what they're enjoying. It's my choice to even do these videos for y'all. All right, so I apologize if the background music that I have playing right now, non-copyright or copyright free, is a little loud. But let's get to resurfacing these rotors. All right.
Nothing's really clear. Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear. Sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel.
Now, I will admit, I had to retract. Y'all saw me go back after making half a pass. The backside wasn't cutting. I turned the dial the wrong way when I went to set my cut. And yeah, the backside didn't cut, so I had to redo it. But yeah, we're good now. Hell yeah.
Any negative thoughts I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay right to the top, never running now, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it what I'm out. Can't take it down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me
anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase, let's face it. I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Okay, take off the sweater. It got a little hot in here. Alright, well, on to the next thing. Ooh.
I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those.
Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. That shit ain't going down. What's going on? What the hell's going on, man? Dreaded this gravy all damn day. All damn day.
What's that also?
They went it rock with it. Yeah, franchise boys. When we were like fucking 7th grade.
Yeah. I remember the
Oh, Soldier Boy.
oh shit! Oh, I got right there.
Yeah, that's right there. And then what was the other one? We don't Superman no more. We Spider-Man that home. Now watch the movie.
That's the one where he's like, I got these baby names.
I think so. Yeah. But my favorite is throwing it up.
Goddamn.
Alright, let's do something next.
Yeah, that took me back.
Oh, what?
Flashbacks.
What about, oh, seven fingers. Yeah.
Okay.
Doing it all by yourself.
Yeah, fucking Lil Jon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, wipe it down.
Oh, yeah, let me down. What's that other one? Somebody was playing it here the other day. The
I can't
fucking,
do it, man.
throw some D's on that. Like, throw some D's.
Huh?
Throw some D's.
Oh, that was probably Renee.
Yeah, somebody was playing. I was like, oh shit.
Fucking. It's when the new era came in, the new was. See if I can hang on to them.
Oh, it's like the backwards skip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're a jerk.
Yeah, dude, you're a jerk. Yeah.
My knee can't take that shit no more. Bro, I used to be able to dip down.
every side of town. Sit big mo as we blaze up. 92 to 2010 plus. I never will, I never gave a fuck. I let another hater hang from my nuts. I'm a lone star, underground star. Jamming screws, I'm sipping bars. Trill nigga in them candy cars. It's a way of life, so never meet the bar. And we big pimpin', spending cheese. R.I.P. to Pimp C. Screw Big Mo and Big Ho. Got me sipping surface if I got a cough. Some niggas play hard, but we know they soft. And they got a bitch, we done knocked off. But a new dumb round with the top off. And she cocked and lock, ready to pop off. Stay fly as fuck, ready for takeoff. Touchdown, the city's ready for football. Hold up. Listen, I'ma slow it down for you. Hey,
This machine went dumb slow right now. I don't know what's going on. But we got all 4 wheels. Flush. We'll put this up, and we will catch y'all on the next service. So let me cut right quick. I believe this is the first time I do a dry belt on this this year model. I'll say so. Want to see a trick? Boom.
Snapbacks and tattoos, and we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos, and we ride slow and bang screw.
Okay, this dry belt put up a little bit of a fight because this bracket right here, why they have that there, I have no idea. It can unbolt from there, but I still don't understand why it's there. Now, let me spin the crank, make sure the belt is seated. I'm good with that. Now we gotta address the main issue why they came in. They came in because this light, signal light right here, no working. So we're gonna address our main concern. All this other stuff was upsells due to time and mileage and or wear worn. So let's get it done. Damn, I left my tool. So see that?
All that fucking noise, boy!
Yeah. Oh, god damn. Oh, fucking shit. Oh. Ow. That hurt. Whew. Yes, so there was a tool on there because even though it's just a light bulb, I still made sure that we had good power, good ground. Because what if we actually had a bad wire? Then, you know, since I was able to access it, I checked it. Just because this one's simple enough. Now, there are times where I won't check because you gotta pull the whole bumper off just to get to the connector. So let's get this bulb in, lock it on. Mount that back up. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. If y'all could please comment down below. Y'all like this? You like the maintenance, not always transmissions? If y'all did, comment down below. Give a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn your post notification bells on so you don't miss another upload by yours truly. And then if y'all could please check these videos out. Those are to your likings. Subscribe right there.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma